Hello, my name is Renee Barabel, the Practical Shaman. If you're ready to unlock your full creative potential, I invite you to join me in my new workshop series, Dynamic Winds of Creativity, a powerful 5-week journey to move you from inspiration to manifestation. Whether you're an artist, a visionary, or someone who's been longing to bring their creative ideas into the world, this workshop is for you. Together, we'll explore the 5 forces of creation, like the natural rhythms of the wind. In Dynamic Winds of Creativity, we'll dive into the forces that shape our creative lives, like chaos, oppositional forces, process order, partnership with nature, and gestation, each one playing a critical role in turning inspiration into reality. This isn't just another creative class. It's a shamanic journey that invites you to work with the rhythms of nature, break free from perfectionism, and harness the energy of the elements to support your creative visions. You'll leave this course with more than just tools. You'll gain a deep embodied understanding of the creative process. This is for dreamers, the seekers, the creators who are ready to take the leap from inspiration to action and need the structure and support to bring their visions to life. The winds of creativity are calling you, and now is the time to listen. Join us and let the winds of creativity guide you.